glaucoma. It is a characteristic progressive optic disc changes due to retinal ganglion cell death. It is irreversible visual field changes. IOP may or may not be raised. Look at the diagram which I have drawn before. It took a lot of effort to draw such a beautiful eye-pleasing diagram. Flow of aqueous. Aqueous is produced in non-pigmented epithelium of ciliary process. Then it secretes into posterior chamber. Via pupil, it goes to anterior chamber, then angle of anterior chamber. It is also called as iridocorneal angle. It has two outflows. First is trabecular outflow. It drains 90% of the aqueous. Second is uveoscleral outflow. It drains 10% of the aqueous. Trabecular meshwork drains into Snellman canal and it drains into aqueous vein, and aqueous vein drains into episcleral vein. Uveoscleral outflow drains into supraciliary space. Open angle glaucoma. Path blocked is trabecular meshwork. Treatment is trabeculotomy. Angle closure glaucoma. Path blocked is iris. Treatment is iridotomy. Primary open angle glaucoma or chronic simple glaucoma. It occurs in more than 50 years of age. Family history is present. Genes involved are optineurin, WDR36 and MYO. Mechanism: due to blockage of trabecular meshwork, it causes obstruction of outflow. Symptoms: headache, difficulty in dark adaptation, frequent changes in presbyopic spectacles. Signs: intraocular pressure. If it is more than 21 mmHg or more than 5 mmHg difference between both eyes. For example, if the IOP of right eye is 13 and left eye is 20, then the difference is 7 mmHg. Third sign: if more than 8 mmHg difference in diurnal variation, it is the difference of IOP measured in morning and evening. IOP is highest in morning. Next, we will see optic disc changes. Now I will draw the normal anatomy of optic disc. D is optic disc, C is optic cup, NRR is neuroretinal rim. C/D ratio is 0.3. Shape of optic disc is vertically oval. Diameter of optic disc is 1.5 mm or 1500 micrometer. A. Vertical cupping. If C/D ratio is more than 0.5. B. Loss of neuroretinal rim. First neuroretinal rim to be affected is inferior. C. Bayoneting sign. D. Laminar dot sign. E. Peripapillary hemorrhage or optic disc hemorrhage. Flame-shaped appearance is C. F. Peripapillary atrophy. Next sign is visual field changes. Normal shape of visual field is horizontally oval with a inferior nasal notch. Now I will try to draw the basic diagram of visual field. This line is visual axis. Superior vision is minimum. Temporal vision is maximum. This dot is fovea and the lines within the circle is optic disc or blind spot. Earliest visual field changes starts from isopter contraction, that is constriction of peripheral visual field, leads to bearing of blind spot, and further it develops paracentral scotoma, leads to Siedel's scotoma, which is sickle or comma shape. Then arcuate or Bezerum scotoma leads to double arcuate or ring scotoma, which causes step defects, leads to loss of central vision. As a result, loss of temporal vision occurs. Temporal vision is last to be affected. Tonometry is done to measure intraocular pressure. There are two types of tonometer. First is indentation tonometer. Second is applination tonometer. This is the image of Scheidt tonometer. This is Goldsman applination tonometer. Visual field is measured by perimetry. Optic disc is examined by first direct ophthalmoscopy, second slit lamp examination by using plus 90 diopter concave lens. Treatment. First, we will advise topical drugs. Drug of choice is PGF2 alpha analogs. These drugs are latanoprost, bimatoprost, travoprost. Mechanism of action. It increases uveoscleral outflow. Side effects. It causes macular edema, hyperpigmentation of iris, uveitis, hypertrichosis, which is excessive growth of eyelashes, reactivation of herpetic keratitis. Next class of drug is beta blockers. Drugs like timolol, bitoxol and all drugs. Mechanism of action is it decreases aqueous production. Ocular side effects. It causes blepharoconjunctivitis, corneal anesthesia, nasolacrimal duct blockage. Next class of drug is alpha agonist, that is apraclonidine. Mechanism of action, it decreases aqueous production along with increased trabecular outflow. Side effects, it causes mydriasis, that is dilatation of pupil, eyelid retraction and follicular conjunctivitis. Brimonidine. Mechanism of action is it decreases aqueous production. Side effects, it causes drowsiness, depression, as it is CNS depressant. That's why contraindicated in children. Next side effect is apnea and bradycardia. CIAs, carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. Drugs like acetazolamide, brimzolamide and dorzolamide. Acetazolamide is only orally available. Surgical treatment. First option we have is laser trabeculoplasty. Argon lasers can be used, but most commonly used laser is frequency doubled Nd:YAG laser. Treatment of choice for prophylaxis of primary open angle glaucoma is laser trabeculoplasty. If trabeculoplasty doesn't work, we can do trabeculotomy. Again it fails, then we can do vesicocanalostomy or deep sclerotomy. These are non-penetrating surgery. Last solution is Chiton surgery. You can see the shunt here. Chiton surgery is the implantation of artificial drainage device. It is done in resistant cases. Primary angle closure glaucoma, also called as acute congestive glaucoma. It occurs in young adults of age 20 to 40 years. Mechanism: relative pupillary block. When pupil touches anterior surface of lens, leads to anterior iris bowing, makes iris convex, which is also called as iris bombay, which causes iridotrabeculocorneal contact, leads to Formation of anterior shinkai. Anterior shinkai means adhesion between cornea and iris in periphery. Risk factors: first, hypermetropia; second, small eyes; third, small cornea, also called as microcornea; fourth, plateau iris. All these risk factors can be precipitated by dim light or with the use of atropine. Primary angle closure glaucoma patient is asked not to visit cinema hall. Symptoms: extreme headache, distorted vision, eye redness, severe eye pain, halos around light, and vomiting. Halos around light is caused by A. Subacute cases of primary angle closure glaucoma, B. Cataract, C. Acute mucopurulent conjunctivitis. In acute mucopurulent conjunctivitis, after washing eye, halos disappears. FinCEM test is done to differentiate between primary angle closure glaucoma and cataract. If halos break after washing eye, then it is due to cataract. If halos doesn't break, then it is due to primary angle closure glaucoma. You can see broken circular lines in the case of cataract and clear unbroken circular lines in primary angle closure glaucoma. Signs: first sign is IOP more than 40 mm Hg. On digital tonometry, rocky hard eye. On torchlight examination, eclipse sign is seen and anterior chamber is shallow. Third, on slit lamp examination, A. Congestion is seen, B. Corneal edema is seen, which causes hazy cornea, and as a result, blurring of vision occurs and halos around light appears. C. Iris atrophy. D. Posterior shinkai. It is adhesion between pupillary margin and lens. 4. Pupil vertically oval, mid dilated and fixed. Treatment: drug of choice is pilocarpine, which is miotic drug. Second drug of choice for acute attack of angle closure glaucoma is IV mannitol or oral acetazolamide. Third treatment of choice is laser iridotomy. We perform hole in iris through Nd:YAG laser. Congenital glaucoma. Onset from birth up to 3 years of age. Mechanism: trabecular meshwork is blocked due to dysgenesis of angle of anterior chamber leading to open angle glaucoma. Symptoms: it presents with triad of symptoms: blepharospasm, lacrimation, and photophobia. Signs. Earliest sign is hazy cornea. Second sign is Habs-Stry. You can see the horizontal line here. Third sign is ophthalmos, which is enlarged eyeball. Anterior chamber is deep. Corneal diameter increases more than 13 mm, whereas normal diameter is 10.5 millimeter. Sclera stretches and becomes thin. As a result, sclera looks blue. You can see enlarged eyeballs here. Treatment. Treatment of choice is trabeculotomy plus trabeculotomy. Treatment of choice, if cornea is clear, we do goniotomy. Gonioscopy, done to examine the angle of anterior chamber.